Hi, this is Gwen from Periodic Lab, and today is part 1 of my Perler Bead series. In this one, I'm going to cover all of the Perler Beads I've made thus far that's in the Mario universe. So, in my other ones, I will have some Pokemon and some other game stuff, but for this one, this is the Mario one, which is my biggest one. So, I've got a lot of stuff online by searching Mario Perler Beads. All of these are someone else's work that they interpreted from the game. They are not mine. I just made them so I can have a huge collection. My ultimate goal is to fill the fridge or a wall with a complete layout of their traditional Mario game. And a lot of these involve making pieces and unique pieces of the game. And I've also actually made Yoshi with Egg and a bunch of other characters. Ironically, one of the things I have not made is the actual original Mario or Luigi, but I'll get to that. And Perler beading is actually quite easy, and one of the things I wanted to do is make one of those aquarium tanks with the water level of Mario. It's certainly not an original idea, but it would be fun for just freshwater fish. And this one actually was quite hard. Bowser was one of my first big ones that I made for Perler beads. I don't really like the colors I ended up picking for him, so I might have to redo that one. Now, the reason why I picked games is that I loved playing Mario when I was younger, and the other thing is that as Perler bead is the medium where you have pixelated stuff, that this actually translates. Now, a majority of these I started in about, I think, 2013, and I just kind of kept going. And a lot of times it's like, I do this once a year. So I hope my collection will get bigger, and my issue I'm running into is making the background scenes just because they take so much of just one singular color. Now, I started out with just a whole bucket of Perler beads of different colors. I've sorted through them all, so through that torture, I feel like I had to make more projects, which is ridiculous. It's like a trap. Anyways, if you like something in here and want to have the pattern for it or reference picture, I'm more than happy to do that for you. Just comment down below. So there'll be more videos for Perler bead stuff that I will update as I go. It will be Pokemon and a lot of things. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.